Hi guys, this is Aurélien from bFlash, and today we're going to discuss a very awaited feature, live tuning on the 2019 Audi RS3.
Live tuning can be defined as the ability to edit your calibration in real time. It usually requires expensive and complex hardware. We made it as simple as connecting to your vehicle diagnostic port. The first step is to start the vehicle. You can then start your bFlash software and switch to the live tuning editor by clicking the turbocharger button. Live tuning requires an user-provided A2L. This file describes the structure of the engine control unit software. Select the BDC file that matches your A2L and you're ready to go. Connecting requires the ECU to be previously patched. Once successfully connected, the status will update. The map selection dialog lets you switch between long and short names. Selected maps are displayed in text view. You can switch between text and graphical view. Classic navigation is implemented to help you review your calibration. It is possible to edit the color scale of your 3D chart. You can customize the scale with any color. Map values can be edited via the context menu or by pressing the equal shortcut. Increased value will be displayed in red, while reduced value will be displayed in green. You can reset to the original value at any time via the context menu or by pressing F11. Our editor comes with various quick addition options such as offset, multiplication, or set to 0. Switching between two active maps is easy. Simply use the context menu on the right or click on the map name in the upper area. If you want to work on two maps at the same time, simply dock them next to each other. Let's have a look at the measurement area. You can log any variables by clicking the plus sign on the right. As we are looking at the idle speed map, let's measure the idle speed set point. You can see that the set point matched the map at 750 RPM. Let's increase the map value at 1100 RPM. You can see that the actual set point is still at 750 RPM. We will now commit that change to the ECU. You can see that this change is instantaneous and that the idle speed is rising in real time. Once happy with your calibration, you can export it to a new file. On the behalf of the bFlash team, we hope that you will enjoy this new feature.